Hello friends. How are you? Hope you are doing well. Today, we are going to learn birds' names in Hindi and English and also know their scientific names. Then, let's fly with these flying machines. The first bird of this video is the symbol of peace, that is, a dove. It is known as kapotak in Hindi. The scientific name of dove is Columbidae, columbiformes. Let's move on the next bird. The next bird is a duck. It is known as batak in Hindi. The scientific name of duck is Anas platyrhynchos. The next bird is an eagle. It is known as cheel in Hindi. The scientific name of eagle is Aquila hastata. The next bird is a flamingo. It is known as Rajhans in Hindi. The scientific name of flamingo is Phoenicopterus ruber. The next bird is a hawk. It is known as Baj in Hindi. The scientific name of hawk is Buteo regalis. Let's shake our body with chicken dance. Can you guess the next bird? Very good. You guessed the right one. That bird is a hen. It is known as murgi in Hindi. The scientific name of hen is Gallus domesticus. You have a question here. Can you tell the meaning of idiom, ghar ki murgi dal barabar? Comment your answer. The next bird is a hummingbird. It is known as Gunjan Pakshi in Hindi. The scientific name of hummingbird is Triochelide apodiformes. The next bird is a fast runner. It is an ostrich. It is known as Shutur-murg in Hindi. The scientific name of ostrich is Struthio camelus. The next bird is an owl. It is known as Ullu in Hindi. The scientific name of owl is Bubo bengalensis. The next bird is a parrot. It is known as Tota in Hindi. The scientific name of parrot is Psittacula crameri manilensis. The next bird is a turkey. It is known as Peru Pakshi in Hindi. The scientific name of turkey is Meleagris gallopavo. Here comes the last bird of this series. It is also an endangered species in India. It is a vulture. It is known as Giddh in Hindi. The scientific name of vulture is Gyps indicus. Hope you enjoyed the video and explored the knowledge. See you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and keep learning something new and interesting. And do not forget to like, share and comment on the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.